Hi, my name is Cody, and today we're going to be talking about alternators. The first thing we're going to discuss is the alternator output test. We're going to start by hooking a voltmeter to your positive and negative terminals on your battery. And then we'll hook an amp clamp to the cable that connects to the positive terminal on the alternator. You will then start the vehicle and get your initial readings from the volt and amp meters. After you get those readings, you will rev the engine up to 1500 RPMs. While the engine is revved, you will get another reading from your volt and amp meter. You will then do a test with the load applied, which means having your lights, flashers, windshield wipers, and blower motor on. You'll then get a reading of the volt and amp meter, and again rev the vehicle up to 1500 RPM, and once more get the final reading from your volt and amp meter. The next thing we're going to talk about is voltage drops. We will start with the positive side. First, you're going to connect your lead to the positive terminal on your battery, and then you'll connect the other lead to the positive terminal on the alternator. Start the vehicle and get your reading. For the negative side, you'll attach a lead to the negative terminal on the battery and then on the housing of the alternator. Start the vehicle and get your reading. The next thing we're going to talk about is the AC ripple test. You're going to attach your first lead to the positive terminal on the alternator, and the second lead will be grounded out on the housing. You'll then start your vehicle and get your reading. For this test, you will be reading AC volts. What this test does is make sure that the diode trio is converting AC volts to DC volts through rectification. And finally, we're going to look at some components of the alternator. What we are looking at here is an end frame. Here we have the rectifier bridge marked with the letter E, the volt regulator marked with the letter G, the brushes marked with the letter D, and the ground terminal marked with the letter F. In this picture we have the rotor and the slip rings. And here we have the stator. And finally, this is a cooling fan.